Hello, this is AI in Agriculture, one idea a day. And today we are speaking about the globally important crop called potato. Every day I provide you with some insights about specific crops, but my intent is also to show you the possibility. So what I am showing today, it's not applicable only for potatoes, it's applicable for many other crops, and specifically tubers, let's say. Even it's not for tubers only, it's for onions as well, apples as well. So we have tried, and in next days I will show you how it works. But today is potato, and we call it potato AI. So what is the brilliance of potato AI is that I don't want to tell you all these technical details, but the results are about the count, so the challenge about potato is, maybe I need just to move myself here. Yes. The challenge is about counting and then understanding the size and then understanding how good this size is for further selling the potatoes. And got this challenge when we participated in hackathon. Organized hackathon is kind of event when you have a technical challenge and you have a limited amount of time to solve it, and then you are providing some solution. It's concept level of solution, so it's not production ready, but you still provide the main points of the solution. And sometimes some hackathons are so fruitful that they bring interesting startups as a result. So we participated in the hackathon organized by International Potato Center in Peru. And one of the challenges which we discovered is about the measuring potatoes, counting potatoes, and doing it in an effective way. And currently it's obviously done visually, and in written form you have the results. But in our case, we offered to use the AI technology. And AI algorithm is a bit more complex than traditional one, which we applied for different other cases, because the complexity of this algorithm includes 3 levels. So the first level is about counting potatoes in front of the potatoes on the image, on specific photograph. And the second challenge is about the measuring size of potato. And here is the tricky point, because potatoes, most of the varieties, obviously there are some varieties which have perfectly round, let's say, but still in nature there is not so perfect circle as we can imagine it by ourselves. So potato is always like oval, in most of the cases oval, and that's why to find the diameter of the potato, it's the task to find the diameter of irregular shape. So it's not about the circumference and finding the diameter. And that's why we applied some mathematical methods approach how to find this diameter of the irregular shape. And based on these 2 already obtained aspects like count and diameter, we do the 3rd step. Algorithm does the 3rd step, not we. Algorithm is grading the potatoes, and is grading potatoes using specific standard. So as an example, we took the USDA standard. It's the standard created by the United States Department for Agriculture, and this standard is applicable for all the potatoes which are sold in the in the USA, sorry, it's all about USA. USDA, it's USA. And using this algorithm, it's possible to understand how the harvest of potato can be graded in accordance with the USDA standards. But as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is just the idea how the overall solution can be applicable. So it can be applicable for fruits, for vegetables, and the standard can be either customized for specific food producer, or it could be the governmental standards, or whatever standards you have. It's possible to put this level of standards and use AI model to understand how good is the food produced for this specific standard. I hope you enjoyed today, and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day ahead.